Well, today is April the 30th. Success is not about talent alone. Every individual has some talent. Some area of your life, you have talent. Success is not about experience, because experience is basically insight that is gleaned from past achievements and failures. And success is not about education, because education is the collection of facts that other people think you need to know. Now, I don't want to minimize any of those. Talent, experience, education, all those are important. All these things are important when they are combined with the other elements of successful living. But genuine success, success that sets people apart, makes them great, makes their lives memorable and impactful, is something that flows from a different fountain. While success is strengthened by talent, tempered by experience, redefined or refined, I should say, by education, it is conceived by the heart and is driven by something that is intangible and unlearned. Unlike talent, it is not refined in a public forum. Unlike experience, it's not attained through public interaction. Unlike education, it's not acquired in a public classroom. It's discovered in the deep recesses of one's most private thoughts. And it's brought to life little by little in the mind's eye through visualization and through planning. That's why I encourage you. Let your imagination take control. Get my ebook on imagination. We've been talking about it this entire month. You can also go back and watch all the dailies from this month, but your imagination is part of you. So you got to have visualization. You got to have the plan, and that's why I created the game plan, the 30-day program to help you. I'll join you every day. I'm your success coach. I wake up, you wake up, I'm waiting for you, and we'll go through the plan each day. At the end of the 30 days, you'll actually have a written plan. I encourage you, grab a hold of the game plan. It'll be one of the best investments you make this year. Your imagination takes control. Your imagination is that part of you that makes you different from everybody else. And the thing that makes you different is the thing that will make you great. It's not your similarity to another. It's your point of difference from another. And to ignore your imaginative nature and to listen instead to the voices that are vying for your attention is to buy into their mediocrity. So don't fall into this trap of common thinking. Your dreams are precious and unique, and they were given to you by God. So let God help you move your dreams from the realm of ideas into the realm of reality. He can do that in your life if you will become his partner in the effort. But in this partnership, never forget that your imagination is your greatest ally. And that's why we've taken this entire month to talk to you about the power and the importance of your imagination. If you have not yet got the ebook, we really dig much further into it. I promise you it'll change the way you look at things. If I can change the way you look at things, the things that you're looking at, well, they'll begin to change. So get your copy of the ebook on imagination. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, and get ready. We're going to dive into a whole new chapter, a whole new subject as we get into the month of May, right here on The Daily.